So guys, in this video, I'm going to create a fully functional production level website in just 5 minutes using Cursor AI. And the crazy part is we are not going to build some simple landing page design or basic front-end clone. We are going to design a complete full stack automobile sales management system, which will include admin dashboard, Spring security, MySQL database integration, responsive and modern UI, including dark and light themes, and analytic API. Yes, the project structure will not be monolithic. We will generate API and send that API to Python's matplotlib. And using the API and Jupyter Notebook and Python's matplotlib, we will visualize sales using Python. So this will be the project structure. द बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट इज कि आप जो ऐसा प्रॉम्प्ट डाल रहे हो, जो जो टेक्नोलॉजीज को यूज करने बोल रहे हो, आपको पता होना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर कहीं पे मॉडिफिकेशन, बिकॉज एआई इज नॉट 100% परफेक्ट, तो आपको कुछ मॉडिफिकेशन करना पड़ सकता है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमने खोला चैट जीपीटी को और उसको ऐसा अपना प्रोजेक्ट स्ट्रक्चर बताया. तो सबसे पहले आई स्टार्टेड विद सेइंग दैट कि मेरा जो प्रोजेक्ट होगा इट विल बी ए फुल स्टैक ऑटोमोबाइल सेल्स वेबसाइट, और उसका जो स्ट्रक्चर होगा प्रॉपरली फुल्ली लेयर्ड होगा एज वी हैव इन प्रोडक्शंस. आई स्पेशली इंस्ट्रक्टेड इट टू क्रिएट 2 सेपरेट कंट्रोलर्स, वन फॉर एडमिन एंड वन फॉर यूजर, और अ सर्विस लेयर, और उसके बाद डीटीओ एंटिटी रिपोजिटरी, फिर आपका मॉडल हो गया, ये सब. देन आई मूव टुवर्ड द फ्रंट एंड रिक्वायरमेंट. उसको ऐसा एक्सप्लेन किया कि मेरा जो यूजर होगा वो ही विल एबल टू लॉग इन और रजिस्टर. अगर वो पास्ट यूजर है तो ही विल लॉग इन, और अगर वो नया यूजर है तो ही विल रजिस्टर. एंड आफ्टर लॉग इन ही विल एबल टू ब्राउज द कंप्लीट अवेलेबल इन्वेंट्री, और वो ऐसा वहां से परचेज भी कर सकता है अगर उसको ऐसा कुछ पसंद आता है तो. आफ्टर दैट आई एक्सप्लेन द डेटाबेस आर्किटेक्चर कि हमारा पहले तो 2 फॉर्म होगा, आपका एक एडमिन का फॉर्म होगा और एक कस्टमर का फॉर्म होगा. उसमें हम ना दोनों का पासवर्ड स्टोर करेंगे, पासवर्ड आईडी और पासवर्ड स्टोर करेंगे एनक्रिप्टेड फॉर्म में, ताकि जो डेटाबेस का ओनर है उसको पासवर्ड पता ना चले, वरना गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. उसके बाद वी विल हैव अ टेबल फॉर इन्वेंट्री. ऑटोमोबाइल्स का इन्वेंट्री के लिए एक टेबल होगा, एक कॉन्टैक्ट अस का टेबल होगा, एक आपका ऑर्डर का टेबल होगा. तो दिस आर द डेटाबेस आर्किटेक्चर. Then I explained the admin side functionality, that admin will log in with a default username admin123 and default password admin1234. और login करने के बाद admin will have multiple options to read all the orders, read all the queries, और he will have options to add new automobile, और उसके बाद he will also have option to see all the past year sales, तो previous year में कितने सेल हुए, और and then he will have an option to change his credentials, his username and password, जो वो चेंज करेगा, जो डिफॉल्ट पासवर्ड उसको मिलेगा उसको चेंज करेगा, दैट he will have ऑप्शन. So for the reporting feature, I specially instructed ChatGPT to generate the graphical report using Python's matplotlib using API integration, और उसके बाद I also explained all the required Postman APIs, backend configuration and annotations that are required to generate the report. At the end, I provided the complete tech stack information कि use Spring Boot for auto configuration, use Spring MVC for handling the web layers get and post mapping, and to use Spring Data JP for database interaction and perform all the CRUD operation using JPA repository. Also instructed to use Spring Security to handle the login and logout of user and admin. Finally, I provided the database configuration. Database configuration का भी URL provide किया, username provide किया. So then I got my prompt in JSON format, और उसके बाद ChatGPT ने मेरे से double verify किया that the details that I provided. After getting the final prompt, हमने कर्सर ओपन किया, हमने सब प्रॉम्प्ट को पेस्ट किया, एंड he will start doing his work. ओवरव्यू और वेरीफाई करने के बाद द प्रोजेक्ट इज फाइनली क्रिएटेड. तो उसके लिए अब हम जाएंगे अपना फोल्डर में, और फोल्डर में द फोल्डर दैट वी हैव स्टेटेड, और फोल्डर को हम ओपन करेंगे तो वी विल सी कि हमारा सारा जो भी प्रोजेक्ट है वो कंप्लीटली बिल्ड हो चुका है. तो नाउ वी विल ओपन VS कोड. So since I have pasted the old configuration, so the database name got mismatched, so I have to create a new database according to my project, and I have to reflect the same code in the project, in the application.properties also, so that it will get mapped accordingly. After that, I checked all the packages, classes, annotations, validations, and imports, and everything was properly configured. Then at the template folder, we have all the HTML files, and as I specified in the prompt to use only inline CSS and JS wherever required, it has done accordingly. And then we have this pom.xml file where all the dependencies are configured properly as I stated in the prompt. So till now everything is fine. After that, I tried running the project, but AI has done one mistake. It forgot to create one class. So after creating that class and after doing few minor improvements, the project started working fine at port 8080. So at the landing page website, we have the inventory section where I told initially in the prompt to add 10 automobiles, but it has added 6, which is fine. And then we have this login logout section where new user can register and old user can log in to their session, and we can see that the data is being stored and reflected in database as well. Then I tried booking a Tesla Model S, which is also got booked and data reflected in database. And then we have this contact us form, which is also working perfectly fine, as we can see. Or the theme, dark and light theme, also toggling perfectly. Now let's log into admin dashboard, which will be managed by the owner of the admin. And as we can see that there is a section of adding automobile. So I tried to add the Tata Sierra, and it got immediately reflected in database and as well as user side. Then in the booking section, we can see all the bookings that has been made, and here is the booking that I made just now, Tesla Model S. And the delete button on the right side of each booking is all working perfectly fine. Data got deleted from database. Then in the sales report section, I saw that key AI is taken some random values, and then when I checked the code there, so I saw that it has programmed such as when there is no data available, so take some random values, so which we can see here. और अगर हमें इस तरह का ग्राफ नहीं चाहिए तो वी कैन गेट मोर ट्रेडिशनल एंड प्रोफेशनल ग्राफ यूजिंग पाइथन्स Jupyter notebook. So we will open that from our terminal, and by providing all the required configurations along with sales and revenue JSON URL, after executing the program, we will get our graph, so that we can see here. Then I tried changing admin username and password, and that too is working perfectly fine. So overall the project is working perfectly fine, and few improvements we have to do. First, we have to add images to the UI, and in the admin section, in the admin section, when admin will upload a new automobile, then we have to add upload image option in that form where admin will upload new automobile. And secondly, the UI is looking kind of plain and off, and it is giving us the AI generated feel, so we have to tweak the AI slightly as well, so that it must look human made, not AI generated. Or we have to integrate that graph in our project, which we will do. Except few things, the project is working perfectly fine. So AI is become extremely smart nowadays, so use it wisely and make the most out of it. So this is the video, and this is the part 1 of upskilling both you and myself in the field of AI and modern technologies. So make sure to subscribe the channel. In future there will be more parts also. If you want the prompt, I will provide the prompt in the description. So make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video, and thank you. Thanks for watching.